The Alibi teaser, inilabas na ng Dreamscape Entertainment ngayon na pinagbibidahan ni Paolo Abilino at Kim Chiu.
Everybody! Okay naman po kami. Live na live. Meron tayong teaser drop bukas.
The Alibi teaser, inilabas na ng Dreamscape Entertainment ngayon na pinagbibidahan ni Paolo Abilino at Kim Chiu. Makikita sa ilang clip ng larawan ang matitindi at nakakaakit talagang teaser na inilabas ng tambalang Kim Pao na talaga nga namang inaabangan ng mga fans ngayon. Makikita ang mga intense na pangyayari na maaaring abangan sa The Alibi na ilalabas ngayong October ng Dreamscape Entertainment.
Everybody! Okay naman po kami. Live na live. Meron tayong teaser drop bukas. Everybody! Okay naman po kami. Live na live. Meron tayong teaser drop bukas.
You found out that you've been chosen as the calendar girl for 2025.
Alright, first of all, good evening everyone. Thank you for being here tonight. I am Kim Chiu and I'm your Tanduay Calendar Girl 2025. My initial reaction, of course, I am shocked and I asked myself if I'm ready to do this. Kasi syempre, a lot of people known me since Pinoy Big Brother house. So I grew up in front of everyone's eye. Not naman everyone siguro, pero most of the people. So they've known me and I grew up in front of their eyes. And I think it's about time na rin for me to do this. And I feel empowered, actually. I feel grateful to be the Tanduay Calendar Girl 2025. Kasi I feel like this is such a powerful moment for me. And this is a milestone I never thought early on my career days. Pero I believe that this is a testament of how much I've grown and how far I've come. Not only as an artist, as an individual, but most especially as a woman.